years of the Nandanwan Homeowners Association to letting loose at Naniji's kitty parties, our days in Pune were thrilling adventures. Our mornings would start at dawn as Nanaji and Naniji hurried down the stairs for their morning walk. 3 cups of chai had even before the sun arose. I would wait impatiently for Ma to finish her morning puja in hopes of sneaking a batasha while Naniji prepared an extravagant breakfast in the kitchen. I would sing and hop around behind Chotu Mama as he prepared for war on the battlefields of Sangad. Our days in Pune were filled with books and movies, painting, laughter, and a lot of food. I have learned innumerable lessons for life from both of you. I have learned how to develop a methodical shirts rotation system, how to express myself through acrylics, and of course, what true love is when every time Nanaji's phone would ring, the word darling would show up. I must also thank you for bringing my mother into this world, definitely one of your finest works, although I might be a bit biased. Thank you for filling my childhood with color and joy. I look forward to the adventures that await us. I love you all and I hope you have a great time.
मेरे प्यारे मोनू जी और मेरी प्यारी कुमकुम रानी, इस अवसर पर मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद स्वीकार करें। ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि आप दोनों के इस 50 साल के साथ में और आगे 50 साल का साथ जुड़ जाए। आपके दादा की तरफ मेरा बार बार ध्यान जा रहा है कि अगर वो होते तो हम दोनों इस समय आप दोनों के साथ होते। अब मैं आप सबका ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगी। अब आप सब इस दिन की सेलिब्रेशंस को एंजॉय करें।
I feel myself lucky enough to have our Naresh Bhai Urf Monu as a very nice, decent, loving, respectful, intelligent brother and the most successful manager throughout his career. And Kumkum Bahrani ke liye kya kahun? She is a very smart, gorgeous lady of her family, and she is a very nice home manager and caretaker. I wish both of you a very long, happy, healthy togetherness. और तैयार हो जाओ, हम अगले साल तुम्हारे पास आ रहे हैं। ऑल द बेस्ट एंड वेरी गुड लक।
हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी। आपको बहुत बहुत 50वीं शादी की वर्षगांठ की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ एवं शुभकामनाएं। यो तो फूल बहुत थे बगिया में, पर फूल गुलाब सा नहीं। यो तो ईश्वर ने जोड़ियाँ बहुत बनाई हैं, लेकिन जोड़ी आपसी सुंदर, अफेक्शनेट, गॉर्जियस जोड़ी नहीं। आपका प्यार हमको बहुत मिला। आप बहुत में अपनापन है, हमें बहुत प्यार और सम्मान देते हैं। उसके लिए हम बहुत ही आभारी हैं और आपको आज का दिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो और गॉड ब्लेस यू। हमेशा ऐसे ही हंसते मुस्कुराते रहिए, सबको सम्मान देते रहिए और सबका प्यार पाते रहिए। जय श्री जी, गॉड ब्लेस यू। थैंक यू।
मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे दादा भाभी। आपको आज के दिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। सॉरी हम लोग नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, लेकिन आई प्रॉमिस हम बहुत जल्दी आएंगे और हमेशा की तरह आप भी जब इंडिया आएंगे तो हमारे पास जरूर आएंगे। सो आई एम विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग, हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी टुगेदरनेस। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू।
हेलो कुमुद जी।
हेलो नरेश जी।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू बोथ एंड एंजॉय lots of happiness and have a great time. Hello.
Hi Chachi Chacha, congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. This is such a milestone moment. Congratulations from all of us.
Hi Chacha Chachi, happy anniversary on this big day. My best childhood memories are when we visited you in Calcutta and we had such a great time. I'm sure Neeti, Neeraj and Nishant have planned this great party and it will be a great success. So happy anniversary once again and I hope you have a great day.
Take care. Bye.
Dear Chacha Chachi, wishing you a very happy golden anniversary all the way from California, USA.
Hello, Chaya Chachi. Congratulations on completing 50 years of marriage and togetherness. You are such a fun-loving Chaya Chachi in our family, and you complement each other so well. You're such a lovely couple, and we have such fond memories of good times spent together, especially when we were kids. When we were small, we used to come for summer vacation to Calcutta, and we used to have so much fun together. All cousins playing together, and with you both, Chaya Chachi and Mummy Papa and everyone. And Chachi used to make such good food for us.
She still does.
Yes, and so we're just remembering all the good times. And then of course later on when you moved to Pune, it was so nice because whenever we used to come to, we spend time with Mummy Papa, and we could come and meet you and spend time with you too. So congratulations again on your 50th wedding anniversary. And
Have a lovely party.
Yes.
Enjoy the celebrations and enjoy many more years of togetherness and happiness.
yes, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Dada Bhabhi, a very very happy wedding anniversary to both of you.
Happy anniversary, Dada Bhabhi.
Preeti and me today we were sitting and we were thinking of all the good times that we have spent with you all. Our lovely days at Jodhpur Park.
I remember going with Dada to college, scooter के पीछे बैठ के crossword करते हुए.
Remember Dada, the scramble word, jumble the scramble or something like that. How we used to do the crossword, and हम दोनों के बीच में सवेरे सवेरे झड़प होती थी कि कौन दादा के साथ जाएगा. The other person had to go on a bus.
So every day we had to decide. Dada had said कि मैं एक ही को ले जाऊंगा, तुम दोनों decide करो किसको जाना है.
And be ready at time waiting for me at the gate. We really had great times together. Even in Salt Lake, and then you had come and you've come visited me in Dubai. You spent some time together, and we really had some good times with all of you.
So wishing you a very 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 happy wedding anniversary and lots of years to go.
And Dada, before I really end this, I must tell you that Mummy and Daddy were both very very fond of you all. Wherever they are, I'm sure they're showering their blessings on you. See you.
Happy anniversary.
जी आपको और नरेश जी को शादी की 50वीं सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
Wish you a very happy golden jubilee, Gigi and Jijaji. May your love blossom every day.
Many congratulations Gigi and Jia ji, Jairam ji ki, and many happy returns of the day. Happy returns means 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50.
Happy
golden
jubilee.
happy 50th marriage anniversary. Anniversary is a joy, of course. On this topic, I have written some lines, so I would like you all to listen to this. Your anniversary is a time for sharing your affection. It's obvious the two of you have quite a deep connection. We send glad congratulations and heartfelt wishes too for joyful happiness and love in everything you do. Happy 50th marriage anniversary, Bua and Fufaji, from my side.
Happy golden anniversary, Kumuji ji and Chicha ji.
Wishing you all love and happiness in life. Enjoy your day. Happy anniversary. We are missing everybody.
Bye.
Hello, Mrs. Mathur. Heartiest congratulations to you both on your 50th wedding anniversary. Oh, what a lovely day it is. We are so happy that you are there with your family and celebrating it with full gusto and full enthusiasm. I know Mrs. Mathur for past 30 years now, and she's just the same. She is what she was 30 years back. Beautiful from within and outside.
Hello, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.